Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix date and time set automatically is disabled grayed out in iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, go back to settings. Scroll, find and tap on privacy. Here we have to tap on location services. Now scroll and tap system services. Scroll and disable setting time zone. After that, we have to go back to settings and tap screen time. Scroll down and tap turn off screen time and turn off again to confirm. Now, we have to force close the settings and launch settings again. Scroll, find and tap on journal and tap date and time. Here we go. Set automatically is working now. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.